how to draw Goopy Le Grande from Cuphead, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Goopy Le Grande, let's begin by drawing a small sideways circle for the nose. Next we'll draw a second even larger circle that will be the left eye. And the second circle that we draw will be attached to the nose that we just made together. Nicely done. Now on the inside of that circle, let's go ahead and draw the pupil. Now attached to this eye, right above, we're going to draw a small curved line. This curved line will be the first eyebrow of Goopy Le Grande. Nice! Next, attached to the eye that we just drew, we're going to draw a big long curved line that will be the mouth. The mouth that we draw will just be a simple smile with a small curved line at the end. Next, right above the endpoints on the right hand side, for the mouth, we're going to go right above and draw the second eye, which will be the same size as the one that we previously drew together. Well done. Now let's go ahead and draw the pupil on the inside of this eye. Directly above this eye, we're going to draw a small curved line for the eyebrow. Are you all done? If so, let's continue. For the next step, we're going to draw the outline of the body. Let's begin by drawing the top portion. Fantastic. Now let's go down below and we'll come back up and connect. And at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now last but not least, underneath the mouth, let's draw a small curved line for the chin. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Goopy Le Grande from Cuphead. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe and be sure to comment down below who else you'd like to see drawn. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.